Welcome to Finance Perception. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that has intrigued and challenged individuals for centuries: science behind building wealth, the game of mindset. In ancient Greece, a philosopher named Aristotle began to challenge the idea of wealth as something you simply acquired. He said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. True wealth," Aristotle proposed, wasn't about what you owned, but about how you managed it. The world we live in today is obsessed with wealth. People work tirelessly for money, chase every new investment opportunity. And yet, for most, it's like running in circles. Every day, we hear stories of the lucky few who strike it rich. But for the vast majority, the dream of true financial freedom seems just out of reach. Why is that? What are we missing? Is wealth just a matter of luck? Is it timing? Or is there something deeper at play that we can all tap into?